Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on the application of Telegram. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above we will search about Telegram. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page of app of storage, here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your